Welcome students to the world of chemistry. Today we will try to understand, is matter around us pure or not? So first of all, what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space, have mass and can be recognized by our senses, called matter. In our day-to-day life, we come across a very large number of substances, which are different forms of matter like solid, liquid, and gases. It is basically the physical classification of matter. Matter can be classified in several other ways. Chemically, matter is divided into two types, the pure substances and mixture or impure substances. So, a substance can be regarded as pure when all the constituent particles of that substance possess similar chemical nature. For example, elements like iron, carbon consist of only iron particle or carbon particle. So, they are pure substances. Similarly, compound like water consist of similar water molecules having same chemical property. So it is also a pure substance. Whereas a mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances, whether elements or compounds, which are mixed in any proportion by mass and retain their original property even after the mixing. So a mixture exhibits the property of its constituents element or compound, and its property vary with the proportion of the constituents. For example, air. Air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and other noble gases. And air maintain the property of each and every gases present in it. So air is a mixture. Now we will look to some basic difference between pure substances and mixture. Pure substance consists of single type of substance. For example, we have discussed iron particles. And mixture consists of two or more pure substances. Like air, air is a combination of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. All are pure in itself, but they are mixed to form air. Now, pure substance cannot be separated into other substances by physical methods. For example, water. Water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen. They are mixed in a definite proportion by mass to form a water molecule. But we cannot separate hydrogen and oxygen by any physical method. But mixture can be separated into its component by physical methods. For example, if we make a salt solution or sugar solution, we can easily separate water and salt from it or water and sugar from it. Thirdly, pure substance has its own definite property. Like water has its own property. Copper sulfate has its own property. Iron particles has its own property. Carbon, sulfur, everyone has its own property. But mixture shows the property of its components. That means, for example, if we have taken a sugar solution, so sugar solution will contains or shows the property of both water and sugar. I hope student you have understood the basic difference in pure and mixtures. In the next video, we will discuss mixtures in detail. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you.